Hello again.
Hello guys, did you enjoy the video before? I hope so. For me it was very cool.
Yeah, you see, he liked it. Did you like it?
Like and subscribe.
Comment below if you like this lovely video that I'm gonna make. I hope you guys enjoy. Did you see the previous one? Is a snowman?
I don't know. These people look like they're joking. How many views? Hey little, come on guys, let's share this video.
Yes, okay. So guys, have a look, enjoy the video, have fun. It was really fun for me. See you guys in a bit.
Yes, the video's gonna be super fun. You're gonna watch me being made. like, subscribe. Enjoy.
Hey guys, have you enjoyed? This was really cool.
Guys, have you seen those decorations? They were crazy.
Yeah, it was. We have to admit it was really cool. I hope you have enjoyed. Press on the like button below.
Come on,
right?
like.
If they don't press on the like button, you know what's gonna happen.
I am going to show up in your Christmas tree, and then I'm gonna melt.
You're about to melt on them, okay. So guys, press on the like button, comment below, subscribe to my channel. I have a few videos coming twice a week. So Keep yourself posted.
Yes, it was really cool to be here with you. Oh my heart, my
And
heart.
guys, if you didn't see the video how I made this Christmas tree, check on the video over
Yes,
here,
yes.
right on top of Mr. Snowman's head.
It was a really fun movie. Go watch.
Yeah, it was really good. Thank you guys. See you soon.